Oh, hi Hyperia, how are you doing? So I'm here on a very muddy Monk's Walk for a bit of Hyperia construction update. And from here, you can get a really good view at some of the sites. So you've got the lift hill currently under construction, the non-inverting Immelman up there as well. And then around here we have the station building, or the maintenance shed here. Station building just there. So we're going to have a little explore and see what kind of angles we can get. It's very sloppy though, so be warned if you come down here, it's a bit grim. Wow, yeah, the size of this thing is huge. So look, we've got a couple more of the inversions there. You can see the lift hill making quite good progress now. The brake run coming into the station. So underneath that huge dive loop and non-inverting Immelman there. The scale of this is huge when you get up close to it. And I mean, for scale, you can see Saw in the background there. It is absolutely dwarfed by the Hyperia structure. Got a cherry picker up there, they're doing some stuff. Got to say, the height is definitely real. When you get this close to it, it all feels a lot more tangible. So we've got a bit of action going on up there. I mean, that just looks crazy, doesn't it? What an insane element that is. So you got, I presume, a section of the drop there. That top section up there will connect to the lift hill eventually. I mean, it's still got a long way to go, still growing into the sky. And then we have some of the mental airtime and hang time elements you're going to get just through the trees there. And of course the final airtime hill as you come into the brake run. And just take a look at this outer bank from behind. That looks absolutely bonkers. If you can see that through the trees there, wow, that is going to be an insane element. Probably the one I'm most looking forward to be honest, along with the drop and the big hang-timey dive loop thing. So the lift hill is growing. As you can see, they made quite a bit of progress this week. Right down there, kind of hidden behind the track there a little, but you can see a crazy outer bank as you come out of the station. I mean, that has got some angle to it, hasn't it? And here's a look at that final airtime hill coming into the brake run. And in there, that is the maintenance shed where I'll store the second train. So there we have it, a brief but very exciting look at Hyperia there. I've got to say, I think my excitement for this has just doubled or tripled. The scale of it is so much bigger when you get up close. I mean, you see the pictures and it looks awesome, but when you're stood 10 meters away from the station, from some of the key elements, it really does bring home just what an insane roller coaster we're getting this year. So hope you enjoyed this brief update. I am going to put the POV for Hyperia up next just to whet your appetite a little bit, so give that a watch. Let me know how excited you are down in the comments, and I'm off to Legoland. See you later.